It is Sanjay here from Adyar Creations. Today, I welcome you all to learn everything there is to know about our internship on 3D printing, 3D scanning and 3D designing. In the previous video, I am sure you were able to understand how important our internship program is. In this video, I will take you through the entire schedule of our 1-month internship program from day 1 to day 30. The first week of our internship program is dedicated to theory. That's right, without understanding the topics, there is no working on it. We talk from 0 to 100 on 3D printing, 3D scanning and 3D designing. Explain all about it, teach you how to work on various softwares related to it, and make sure your basics are strong before we move into the practical part. The interns are filled up with the knowledge in the first week to apply it on the technologies 3D printing, 3D scanning and 3D designing for the next 3 weeks. We begin with the second week 3D designing, where the interns are given with the problematic statements. They understand the problems and make a product to solve it from scratch. Throughout the assignments, tasks and projects that the intern carry out over here, we always guide them, assist them and encourage them to do their best. The 3D designing section includes working on various assignments in both CAD modeling and as well as organic modeling software. The second week is continued with 3D scanning, where the interns learn and work on showcasing a real-life object in 3D space. They carry out various 3D scanning projects, learn how to edit and repair meshes and also how to reverse engineer a product. The third week comprises completely on 3D printing, starting with how to slice STL files by learning various parameters in the software. The interns are then asked to work on 3D printer, where they try to 3D print numerous products and learn about 3D printing, its materials and more. With the 3D printed parts, the interns work on improving its surface finish by applying different post-processing techniques like support removal, sanding, priming and painting. By the end of third week, the interns are fully capable of 3D designing parts for 3D printing, 3D scanning a real objects and working on a 3D printer independently. The fourth week of our internship, we usually revise the stuff that the interns have learned throughout the duration, refreshing their minds as well as clearing their doubts. This also acts like a repetition class for the interns who might have missed out few days before. We end the fourth week with helping our interns documenting their work and making a report out of it. The internship report is very important, that they will submit it to their respective colleges and for which the marks will be awarded. The internship ends with a send-off program where only interns who have successfully completed their work and duration are awarded with an internship certificate. And yes, the interns also take home a 3D printed part that they have made during the internship. In all our internship programs, the interns are active, learn and have lots of fun doing it. If you don't believe us, read out a few of the reviews our interns have given on our internship. Now, you all know what our internship on 3D printing, 3D scanning and 3D designing is made of and why the students love to join it. You don't miss it out. Come and join us on one of the best internship ever. Register for the internship program at Adyar Creations today. Thank you.